In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your conversation history in Microsoft Copilot for easy sharing or archiving. Whether you're looking to preserve important information, share insights with a colleague, or simply tidy up your digital workspace, knowing how to export your conversation history can be incredibly useful. So let's dive right in and walk through each step to make this process as smooth as possible. First, you'll want to open your conversation history within Microsoft Copilot. To do this, ensure you're logged into your Microsoft account and navigate to the Copilot interface. Here, you'll have access to your conversations and responses neatly organized for you to review at your convenience. This is a great way to keep track of the interactions you've had over time. Now, once you're in the conversation history section, take a moment to browse through and locate the specific conversation or responses that you wish to export. This part is crucial, especially if you have extensive conversation logs. It helps to have a clear idea in advance of what you're looking to save, making the selection process swift and straightforward. Once you've identified the conversation or responses you want to export, click on the Export or Save as PDF option. This function may be represented by an icon or clearly labeled button, depending on your version of Copilot, but the goal here is to create a file version of your conversation history that you can easily access outside of Copilot. This is not just for archival purposes, but also ensures you have a portable format that can be shared or stored securely. Next, you're going to choose your destination folder. This step is where you'll decide where on your device you want to save the file. It's a good idea to select a location that is both secure and easy for you to remember, perhaps a dedicated folder for saved documents or an archive section if you plan on doing this regularly. This choice will certainly depend on your personal organizational system, so pick what suits your needs best. Once you have your destination selected, go ahead and save the file. Congratulations, you've successfully exported your conversation history from Microsoft Copilot. Now you can share it with anyone who might need it or keep it securely as a record for future reference. This process is a fantastic way to retain important information and ensure that nothing of value is lost in the shuffle of everyday digital communication. I hope this tutorial has been clear and helpful for you. Remember, exporting your conversation history is an excellent way to maintain a structured and organized digital life, allowing you to keep track of crucial interactions and information effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and happy exporting.